Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Computer GK Objective Questions and Answers for Children Part 15. Question: Mouse has a dash which is fixed to the CPU. A wings, B tail, C cable. Correct answer is B tail. Question: Small pictures that appear on the desktop are called A. Icons, B. Thumbnails, C. Clip art. Correct answer is A. Icons. Question: Starting the computer system is also called a dash. A. Shutdown, B. Booting, C. Beginning. Correct answer is B. Booting. Question: Which of the following is a multifunctional machine? A. Computer, B. Card, C. Pen. Correct answer is A. Computer. Question: Which one is output device? A. Monitor, B. Mouse, C. Joystick, D. Scanner. Correct answer is A. Monitor. Question: Which button do we switch on first to start a computer? A. Power, B. UPS, C. Monitor. Correct answer is A. Power. Question: Tool contains A. Pencil, B. Eraser, C. Both A and B. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question: Which machine can be used for doing office work? Correct answer is computer. Question: Which tool is used to draw an ellipse? Correct answer is oval. Question: Which button do we switch off third to shut down a computer? Correct answer is UPS. Fill in the blanks from option given below. Toolbar, information, text, paint, main screen, ribbon. These are the options. Question number 1. Dash is a drawing program. Question number 2. Text paint window is called dash. Question number 3. The dash contains the drawing and editing. Question number 4. Help area provides tips and other dash while drawing. Question number 5. Dash is made up of tabs and groups. You have sometimes do it. Your time is over. TuxPaint is a drawing program. text paint window is called main screen. The toolbar contains the drawing and editing tools. Help area provides tips and other information while drawing. Ribbon is made up of tabs and groups. Subscribe, like, share my channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!